Samsung. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you. We can't pull it out. Literally tear it out. Samsung 8 Plus. All that box. These boxes are getting longer and everything. So I've upgraded to an S8 Plus. If you have any issues with your phone, need to ask any questions, just ask below. Now it's sealed. Oh, it's normally a magnetic, slightly different. There we have it, yeah. So compared to my S7 Edge, as you can see, the display is a lot bigger, 6.2 inches compared to 5.5. The button at the bottom of the S7 Edge has been replaced by a touch sensitive that's on the screen, so no physical actual output there. The battery on the S7 Edge is a 3.6, on the S8 Plus it's a 3.500. Now the S8 goes down to 3000, so it's lower, so depending on what you've had before may depend on what you get next. But the reason I bought the S8 Plus was because it had a similar battery to the S7 Edge, so getting longer life out of the battery. So the S7 Edge button was the fingerprint scanner. Now it's on the rear, and then inside we're going to get the power charger there, black one with a little USB OTA connection, which is, I think that's part of the, oh, and another adapter there, and then earphones that are black. I've ordered a black phone, so it's all colour matching, black USB cable for the charging, and the black headphones. Something earbuds in there by the feel of it. And then no doubt there's a little pin for me to change the SIM card underneath, which where you normally put it. Let's have a look. Can lift. What? Well, that seems to be about it. It doesn't seem to be a little pin, so maybe. So you've got to check these when you get them brand new, because they can still come with defects and things. Yeah, I couldn't get gold this time. It was only like rose gold, and I didn't want a pink gold personally. Yeah, there's some power. Looks a bit more precise. Hi. So basically you go through the updates, add your Google account. You can skip logging in, but if you want to get all your account details back from your Google, then you would basically enter your particular, it already wants a SIM card, it's asking there, got Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go through this setup quickly, yeah. It's pretty standard with all the Android phones. Okay, so I've logged in and doing some updates here. 28 updates available. So it's updating everything. It's restoring from my previous Samsung cloud account. So basically it's doing all these updates. So it'll take a little while for that. And Bixby.